Yeah. I found this pretty interesting because
I find that one also short and simple answer for me.
but this guy is saying that the two things define you. Like this is his way of saying two things define you.
Yo, that shit was scaring me, bro.
What the fuck is that?
At the train?
That sounded like a train.
It
Yo.
sounded like a train.
Dude, that shit was scaring me, dude.
I know.
Yo,
Dude, I heard it first time I looked around.
Oh,
And
bro,
I heard it 2 times.
I never heard a train from the basement, bro.